Before you begin, remove the service cover, keyboard, top cover, card reader board, battery, and display bezel. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Partially remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Remove the four 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display panel to the display enclosure. Lift the display panel off of its alignment pins on the display enclosure. Caution: to prevent damage, do not rest the display panel on its lower edge. Caution: take care not to scratch the display panel screen. Peel back the retention tape that secures the display panel cable to the display panel. Release the retention bar and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the display panel. Remove the display panel. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel.